What's up, guys? So on this particular video I'm going to be showing you my trade that I took on S&P 500 and some of the reasons why I've had to remodify my strategy. I didn't change the basics of the fundamentals of the strategy, just I'm trying to increase my probabilities, my profitability. So basically, come with me, let me show you some of the things I'm talking about. So on this particular week on the S&P 500, I started noticing some things that I've been making, some of the errors I've been making, and which are leading me to make improvements in my strategy. Like I said, I'm not changing the fundamentals. I'm just changing like making some tweaks so that I can increase my profitability basically. So on this particular trade here, you can see clearly written here, this is my note to myself on this particular trade. I said very low probability setup. I knew, but my risk management was faulty. I still risked up to 0.5 on this trade, having fully knowing that this is a low probability setup. So why did I classify this a low probability setup? Given we are in a seller's market, but when price retraced, it didn't retrace up to the 50 extension or the 60 extension. It just retraced to the 30 extension basically, and I sold it. I'm not even sure it retraced up to the 30 extension. So I classified this a C setup. So that's a bad setup for me. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame, which is my execution time frame, to see some of the things why I wasn't proud of that trade. So look at this is a swing high and the swing low on that particular day. Yes, price didn't make any retracement. It just came back here. It didn't even come to the 38 extension, 0.38 extension, and I sold. So I took a stop loss on this particular trade. So you can see this is one of the things I had to work on so that I can increase my profitability and my probabilities overall. So that's why I wrote here, this is a low probability setup, but I knew it, but I still took it. So these are some of the things I used to talk to myself so I can do better moving forward. So on the next trade, I had a high probability setup, but was a stop loss, which is a normal thing in the market. So I am more proud of this trade than this trade. So look at price came all the way here. We had a 0.8, 0.5, 0.6 extension retracement, and I was still able to, I took a sell. It stopped me up, but I'm more proud of this trade than this trade because I waited for my setup. So these are some of the things you can add to your trading so you can do better overall. So like I said, if you've watched my previous videos, I've been able to start working on classifying my trades into like the A setups, the B setups, and the C setups. So I don't take the C setups anymore. I only take A's and B's so that I can increase my profitability and my probability. So you can see on this particular day, we had fundamentals really taking over. Fundamentals really took charge of this market. But you see here, the last swing high was here, the last swing low was here, and we didn't even get to the 38 extension. I didn't take this trade, and see, it went into profit, massive profit. But I don't care about the profit. The one I'm really concerned about is my discipline. If I take a trade out of indiscipline, it creates a habit in me that's not good as a trader. So I only do what I am is in my trading plan. I am disciplined to take. So no matter how convincing or tempting a trading opportunity is, if it doesn't align with my trading methodology or my trading plan, I'm not looking to take it moving forward. I've been doing that, but I just recently started working on classifying trades so that I can increase my profitability overall. So if you want to know how I classify A, B's, and C setup, you can check some of my previous videos which I detailed how I did that. So I'm just showing you some of my trade recaps to see, for you to know how, if you take low probability setups, you just end up hampering your trading account. So that will be all for this particular video. If you like some of my content, don't forget to like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to think about trading on a series of trade approach, not a single trade approach. That is if you are trying to be profitable on the long run, or you're trying to turn trading into your job, something that gives you consistent income week in, week out, month in, month out. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.